Baroness Bennett of Manor Castle.
My Lords, I thank the House for the opportunity to ask this question, which applies to all of these amendments, particularly 139, to which my noble friend Baroness Jones of Molescombe is a signatory, but she was unfortunately unable to take part in this debate. My noble friend would have referred to the fact that the Covert Human Intelligence Sources Bill allows blanket legal protections for undercover police and informants. The forthcoming Overseas Operations Bill similarly creates new protections against prosecution for military personnel acting overseas. The government's fought very intensely for these protections against prosecution for the police and the military. They've fought against many attempts in your Lordship's House to reduce or check these protections. In that context, how would the noble and learned Lord the Minister explain, having granted such broad protections to the police and military, even in cases of fundamental wrongdoing, why the government should refuse what is comparatively far more limited legal defences for survivors of domestic abuse, particularly with such well thought out, well drafted amendments by the noble Baroness Lady de Kennedy of the Shores?
To respond.
I'm grateful to the noble lady Baroness Bennett of Manor Castle for that question. The short answer, and I do not wish to be thought flippant in any way, the short answer is that the situations are different. And therefore you have different considerations and different legal results. However, if you will permit me, given that I am not personally acquainted with the details, certainly of the Overseas Operations Bill, in the sort of detail to respond to this evening, may I also add to my reply in writing?